calibrate this blade so the machine knows exactly where it's at.
I'm Jerry James. I'm a diesel mechanic for McCoy Construction and Forestry. If anything in the field breaks on your equipment, you call us, we come out, we take care of it. Anywhere from replacing a hose to troubleshooting a complicated hydraulic or electrical circuit, to fuel issues, to anything to do with an engine. To become a diesel mechanic, I did go to a technical school for 1 year, but you can come in off the street and we can train you from the beginning to the end and turn you into a diesel technician. As a diesel mechanic, you can make a very good living anywhere from $70,000 to $150,000. The opportunities are endless.